Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The international community or the international media is currently feasting over the arrest of Polish students in northern Nigeria. You recall that according to the DSS, or Department of State Security Service, they arrested some Polish nationals who were allegedly waving Russian flag. And the government has put them in detention and they are investigating the matter. But the international community is feasting, or the international media is feasting on that detention of the Polish students. If you go online, you see that that's the only major thing they are writing about, about the nationwide protest in Nigeria. In other words, the detention of the Polish students has actually drawn attention to the protest in Nigeria. Even the international media that literally ignored it, since it started in August 1st, are now paying attention because of the detention of the Polish students. And this is interesting because a whole lot of things had happened in the protest, or the protest known as End Bad Governance in Nigeria. The international community, despite the fact that people were killed, didn't pay much attention to the protest. But now they are paying attention because of the detention of the Polish students. Of course, Nigerian government has not told Nigerians that those they arrested are students. They only told Nigerians that they arrested some Polish people in northern Nigeria. But it was through the international media that we get to know that those arrested were students. Now, what will be the motive of Polish people or Polish students to be waving Russian flag in northern Nigeria? Of course, the ambassador of Poland in Nigeria has said that in the reports that I have seen in foreign media, has said that the Polish students were only taking pictures as the protest was going on, that they were only taking pictures. Now, what will be the motive of a Polish citizen to wave Russian flag in Nigeria? Well, I'm saying this because those who are in charge of our security, they ought to have some versatility on international relations and international politics. If Nigerian officials who detain these Polish people are aware that Poland and Russia don't see eye to eye, they ought to have known that there is no way Polish citizens will be protecting or be projecting Russian interests in Nigeria. This is because Russia sees Poland as their enemy. The administration of Putin sees Poland as an enemy country. In fact, Poland is among the countries that Russia might invade in future if it succeeds in taking over Ukraine. This is because Russia was not happy that Poland joined NATO. Poland joined NATO, and Russia know that it can no longer attack Poland. And Poland joined NATO because Poland want to protect itself from Russia. Because by joining NATO, or North Atlantic Treaty Organization, by joining NATO, Poland has the shield of NATO. So if Russia attack Poland, it will be a declaration of war against NATO nation, which include the United States, who is like the overlord among NATO nations. If you look at Putin's anger with Ukraine, it was because the Ukrainian leadership wanted to join NATO. And if Ukraine had joined NATO before Russia invaded, it would have been a declaration of war on NATO. So you can see that there is no love lost between Poland and Russia. So there is no way, in my thinking, as somebody who follows international politics too, there's no way a Polish citizen, particularly students, will come to Nigeria to further the interest of Russia. That is not plausible. It doesn't really make sense. So if Nigerian officials are aware of this kind of information that I have about the relationship between Poland and Russia, they will do well to find out the truth about these students and release them, because the thing is already generating negative press for Nigeria in the international media. So as they go about investigating, let them continue, but let them also be aware of the situation between Poland and Russia. And if you know the relationship between these two countries, you will agree with me that no Poland citizen, no Polish man, no Pole will be able to come to Nigeria, in northern Nigeria, to further the interest of Russia. Perhaps what the ambassador of Poland to Nigeria said in the report that I read is what happened, that they were in the wrong place at the wrong time. That was their greatest undoing. But let us wait for what they will bring out from the investigation by those who detain them in Nigeria. I hope they tell us more, because the international community is paying close attention to the detention of the Polish students. That's my take on this matter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.